All right, those were just my 24 dessert cakes that I'm gonna move to the side. I have here a large bowl, and we're gonna start off with 1 block of softened cream cheese in our large bowl. And once we have that in there, I'm gonna grab my sweetened condensed milk, and we're gonna use this whole entire pouch. And that is 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be such a delicious sweet treat that everyone will love. Beautiful, we got all of that out. Now I'm coming in with my measuring cup and my key lime juice, and we're gonna measure 3/4 a cup of our juice right into our measuring cup. We might need to give it a nice squeeze. Now, if you can't find this juice, you can just buy some key limes and juice them yourself, but since I needed such a large amount, I felt like just getting the bottle of already squeezed key lime juice. We gotta make sure we get to that 3/4 line. Perfect. Just a little extra for some deliciousness. We're gonna pour that right in there with our block of cream cheese and our sweetened condensed milk. And before we add our last ingredient, I am going to start blending this with my hand mixer. We're gonna start super slow. It should be relatively easy to get this whipped together since that cream cheese is softened. And oh my, that key lime juice smells so delicious. Let's bump this up because we don't want any chunks of cream cheese. We want it to be nice and smooth and velvety. Looks pretty smooth to me. We're not gonna need our hand mixer anymore, so we can turn that off and put it away. Now I'm gonna bring in my 8 ounces of Cool Whip, and we're gonna add this entire container into our delicious key lime mixture. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so good. Make sure to hold on to that container. And you can make your own homemade whipped topping if you prefer, but I prefer Cool Whip. And we're gonna go ahead and fold this in to our key lime mixture. Oh my goodness, this is gonna thicken it up and just make it light and fluffy and just everything you want in a dessert.
It smells delicious.
Oh yeah. All right, our key lime mixture is ready and it looks incredible. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Bring back our little cakes. I put it on a sheet pan just so it's easy to carry around. I'm gonna grab my little ice cream scoop, and we're gonna scoop our key lime mixture right into each little cake. That one might have been a little bit too much, so kind of, make it a little bit like a smaller ice cream scoop, just like so. And we're just gonna quickly add this to our cakes. These are gonna be so delicious once we give them a try. I am way too excited, and we do have something that we're gonna top these with that will just really bring everything together. So let's quickly get these topped. All right, last one. And we have the perfect amount of filling. I'm so excited now to make these extra cute. I just cut up a couple of limes into like little pieces just to kind of decorate our little key lime cakes. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So great for a barbecue. If you don't want to turn on the oven, but you want something to really wow your guests, great for a potluck. Honestly, this is great for any occasion, and you can obviously make as little or as many as you like. The little cakes come in a pack of 6, so you can make as little as 6 with this. Just make sure to cut the filling ingredients in 4th. Okay, last one. So cute. All right, it's time to give one a try. Gotta make sure they're good enough for everyone. I'm gonna grab this one because I'm a psychopath. And let's give this a try.
It looks amazing.
Oh my goodness. That kick, that punch of key lime, that is so good.